That ghost was fire, I ain't gonna lie. Don't vape, kids. Anyways, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I posted, but the crazy thing is I haven't taken a trade since the last video I posted. Now I'm gonna start being more consistent, posting even when I don't take trades, shit like that, cause I just want to be more consistent with YouTube. I enjoy doing this shit, but it's not my main priority right now. My main priority is becoming a better trader. Now, today we took a trade, so this is a live trading video. I know this intro is a little bit different than y'all are used to, but it is what it is. The reason why I haven't traded in about 22 days is a combination of me being a little bit too picky with my setups. I'm being a little too picky, to be honest, and also life getting in the way. Now, as for the first thing, I think being picky is good for me personally because I just came off an eight trade losing streak last month, and that was literally due to me not being disciplined, not being able to step away from the markets. But yeah, today I took a loss in terms of profits, in terms of financial gain. I took a loss, but it was a good day. I really liked the setup. It just didn't play out. I got the direction of the market wrong, right? I was aiming for London sell side. Y'all gonna see in the video, man. It's another live trading video. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'll see y'all on the charts. Got this 4-hour fair value gap down here. We took out this buy side level. Got this 4-hour imbalance on both indices that it seems like we're rejecting. You can see how volume started to slow down in this area. All right, well, that higher time frame SMT, the fact that we're in OTE of the range I just showed y'all, the fact that NQ took out this buy side level, and the fact that we're kind of starting to slow down right here. This 4-hour imbalance is telling me we might be bullish for the day. My bad, bearish, not bullish. Looks like we're already starting to sell off on ES. NQ's structure is nowhere near as clean. You see that we're already starting to drop off. Looks pretty decent, but I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do yet. Honestly, I already think we're about to sell off. We shifted through these 1-minute imbalances during pre-market, but we're kind of rejecting this 1-hour fair value gap right here. So we might need a little more time. But yeah, I want to see like a 5-minute or a 1-minute SMT and a little model. Oh, we got an SMT on the 1-minute now. Let's see if this holds. 5-minute looks okay. 15 minutes kind of struggling. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? That was a huge fucking candle. I need to see a fair value gap open up and I'd be willing to trade. Take it to London low. Alright, we're gonna see how this plays out. Well, it looks like I'll finally be making a YouTube video today, man. On my other screen, I just got ES and NQ pulled up just on different time frames just to see what's going on. ES shifted through its 15-minute fair value gap, surprisingly. NQ did not, though. NQ rejected it. Guys, this is the first trade I've taken since the last fucking video I've uploaded. All the way back on the 3rd. The last trade I took was on March 3rd, bro. It's been 22 fucking days. Right, 22. Yeah, 22 days since I took a trade, bro. That's fucking crazy, ain't it? We could potentially move our stop down here and add another position. Not sure if I want to do that, though. Woo! We melting on ES, bro. ES looks crazy. Look at this shit. Moving way faster than NQ. And if we create an SMT right here, I'm most likely getting out of the trade. Y'all know how it goes, man. So once it gets to a 1-to-1, I'll tighten my stop to right here, just to keep the risk managed. manage the position and shit. Looking pretty good today though. I did not check if it's seek and destroy conditions though. It is seek and destroy conditions. London took out Asians low, then it took out Asians high. And then New York just took out London's high. So likely, I'm not gonna say likely, but there's a chance. That's an extra confluence that we're coming down to London sell side, pretty much. Now we are in a 1 hour fair value gap, as y'all can see. Possible that we do reject that, but you know, it is what it is. I like the trade, I got in, and that was my decision, so we're just gonna see what happens. We did damn near close above this bearish fair value gap, which I don't like too much, but it's not a huge deal. But it does look like we are starting to reject. Yeah, we might get stopped on this trade. Yeah, so what I'm seeing right now is the 1 hour is rejecting this fair value gap, and we're starting to push up. But yeah, we coming pretty close to this high. It looks like we're gonna get stopped out today. And I think this is probably gonna be my only trade for the day, seeing as it is seek and destroy conditions. Don't think there's any news today either. Why didn't I get taken out? Okay, it just took a second. The one thing I will say about this is there was no bullish fair value gap that got ran through. We did shift structure. We did have this little breaker. I don't even know if I would call this a breaker. $202 loss. How the fuck did I lose $202, bro? Cause I was gonna get in down here, risking 160 with 2 contracts, but I actually got in up here. It might be because it spiked that way. I think that's what it was. It might have spiked up there. I'm willing to take one more trade if an opportunity presents itself, but it does look like the 5 minutes about to. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. I thought that was a fair value gap. I want to get in right now, but that would be very undisciplined of me. Y'all know what I just realized, man? We did have an SMT right here, right? And then the displacement lower and shit, but did we have any type of stop hunt? Did we take out any liquidity on buy side? We didn't take out these highs. We didn't take out these highs. But we did push down and take out some sell side liquidity. So this was really manipulation to push higher. That's what this was. And I'm starting to realize that. It makes sense now. Now we did take our previous day high, and we did have that higher time frame SMT. Oh, okay. It kind of makes it harder in that case, bro, because we did have the higher time frame SMT and we took our previous day high. So that kind of is like, okay, that's some manipulation right there. Why would we need to come up and take out this high again when we already have an SMT right there? Why would we take out the SMT high type shit? But I guess the SMT high wasn't really confirmed yet. And the 4 hour did expand higher up here. I'm not too sure, man. I might need to get a mentor for real, like a one-on-one mentor. Again, we had this 1 hour fair value gap that we were respecting. We closed above previous day high instead of sweeping that shit. It was a couple of things that I missed, but overall, I'm not mad about the day. I had a lot of confluence and confidence in my bias, and I did see my setup though. But I'm finna hop off the charts, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Took a little L today. It is what it is. Again, this is a demo challenge and shit that we doing. Not a funded account challenge. It's just a challenge I created for myself to get back right. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all, man. So I'm going to catch y'all later. Peace.